Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about choosing right CCTV camera. For CCTV camera to work, there are two essential parts to it. You need one power source and an internet connection. Unfortunately, I didn't have either of them. That's why I chose TrueView 4G SIM camera with solar panel, a fully autonomous solution that has been working brilliantly. The camera comes with a SIM slot, a solar panel, a mounting component, everything that you need to get started. As always, I have few friends help out with the engineering side of things. Since the camera was going to be outdoor, we had to build a small roof to protect it from rain, and we mounted the solar panel above it on top to ensure there is maximum solar exposure. The camera is smart and has a lot of interesting features. It has a 360-degree rotation controlled via a smartphone app, and a human detection and a built-in siren to alert nearby people, a real-time notification that comes straight to your phone, and it has an optional storage, cloud storage for backing up the footage depending on the number of days that you would like to pick. And the results are in front of you. The night view is so spectacular. And then I was able to obviously catch the uh, people intruding into my